Today we're going to review a little bit on the coordinate plane. This is Chapter 2, Lesson 5. We're going to be on page 42. You're going to skip a few pages. If you need to number them in between, go ahead and do that. The TEK that we're going to be working on today is 7.4 A and D. So a coordinate plane is a plane in which a horizontal number line and a vertical number line intersect at their 0 points. An ordered pair is a pair of numbers used to locate or graph points. Cut out your foldable so that it looks like a large plus sign. You're going to fold the two sides in, and you can cut them in the middle if you'd like. Then you're going to fold the top and bottom in, and you can cut those also. We're going to be working on the graph paper itself. So on the graph paper, you're going to label the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is always that horizontal line that goes from left to right, and the y-axis is vertical, the one that goes up and down. The center point where the y-axis and the x-axis cross is called our origin. The points are 0, 0. When we're looking at our quadrants, you want to start in the top right-hand corner, and you can just make a circle that goes around. When you label it, you're going to see that you start in quadrant 1 and you move around to the left along that circle that makes kind of a C shape. Stands for coordinate plane. So to the left of it, in the top left-hand corner, is quadrant 2. Bottom left is quadrant 3. And the bottom right is quadrant 4, always written in Roman numerals. So we're going to pick this ordered pair here. I just put a point at the cross sections. The first number you're going to look for is the x value. So the negatives, this is a -3. The negatives are on the left-hand side of the x-axis. And you're going above the x-axis, which is on the y-axis, are positive numbers. So we have -3, 1, and this is called an ordered pair. The -3 is your x coordinate, and the 1 is your y coordinate. When you're finished with it, you want to have your foldable open. You're going to glue your grid to the middle piece, and then all around the sides, you're going to signify what you're going to be doing. So on the top, you have positive y's, you're moving up. On the bottom, you have negative y's, you're moving down. On the left, you have negative x's, and you're moving left. And then on the right-hand side, you have positive x, and then you're moving to the right-hand side. So when you fold in the two side pieces, you're going to put the signs of the ordered pairs that are in there. So top left-hand corner, you have a -x, positive y. Top right-hand corner, positive x, positive y. Bottom left-hand corner, -x, -y. And the bottom right-hand corner, you'll have positive x, -y. When you close everything up, you're going to fold the top and the bottom over. You're going to label your quadrants. Again, they go in a C shape. You're going to start up here in the top right-hand corner and move. So this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. When you're finished with your foldable, you're going to glue the bottom piece down. Make sure not to get any of the flaps in there. And then you can close it all up and it all fits on your sheet. Next, we're going to go over some other notes on proportional relationships.